Imagine sending 200 personalized Gmail emails with one click, without paying for Mailchimp or Zapier. In this video, I'll show you how to build this automation using only Google Sheets, Gmail, and AppScript.
In this video, I'll show you how to automate sending hundreds of personalized emails without copying and pasting all day.
First step is to prepare basic spreadsheet. The Google ecosystem is the best when it comes to make your own systems. Open a new Google Sheet. From column A1, start adding column headers. Email address, first name, last name. For this tutorial, I'll create this automation to send thank you emails to the Soup Kitchen donors, so let's name the file accordingly. Please enter your list of email addresses and details like first name, last name, and other personalization details you may need for your use case. Now it's time to create your email draft that you want to send on repeat to multiple people. Step 2 is building our template. Head over to Gmail and compose a new message. Now, instead of hard-coding a bunch of messy HTML directly into our script, we are just going to write a standard email draft. As for this example, I'm writing thank you letter for financial donation to the Soup Kitchen. The subject line is important. Whenever you want to inject personalized data from your spreadsheet, just wrap the exact column header in double curly brackets, like this, first name. The best part about using a native Gmail draft, all of your regular formatting, bold text, links, and your professional email signature stay perfectly intact. Just close the draft to save it, and let's move on to the code. To automate emails, we need to add AppScript code. Go back to your Google Sheet. Click Extensions. Select AppScript. It will open the AppScript editor window. Please delete existing code. In this code editor window, paste the AppScript code written by Gemini. I've given the exact prompt to generate this code. I've also attached a text file with the code if you like it that way. Please check the description below. Now for the magic, how the code actually works. First, we need to grab your template. Using gmailapp.getDrafts, the script scans your inbox, looks for the exact subject line you entered, and pulls that draft into its memory, bringing all your formatting and attachments with it. Next, it loops through your spreadsheet row by row. Right here, the replace function acts as our engine. It hunts for those double curly brackets, finds the matching column header, and swaps the tag with the actual cell data. So curly bracket first name instantly becomes Bruce. Finally, the safety net. Once the email is fired off, the script immediately drops a new date timestamp right into your status column. This gives you a permanent record of delivery and guarantees you will never accidentally double email the same person. And just like that, the loop repeats. Step 4, deployment and our live test. First, let's officially deploy our code. Up in the top right of the editor, click that blue Deploy button. Select New Deployment. Click the gear icon to choose Web App. Add description detail, like V1. Set Execute as Me, and allow access to anyone. Go ahead and click big blue Deploy button. Google will ask to authorize the first time you run or deploy the app. Because you wrote this custom code, Google will throw this scary, unverified app warning. Don't panic. Just click Advanced, scroll down to Go to Project, and hit Allow. Go back to your spreadsheet, refresh, and you will see a new menu item, Mail Merge. Click and select Send Emails. Now our AppScript code is written to ask this input. It is asking to choose what email draft you want to send to this contact list. Go ahead and copy your exact email draft subject. Paste it in this input box. After you enter the email draft subject, click OK. The AppScript automatically finds the matching Gmail draft, loops through each contact in your spreadsheet, personalizes the email using the recipient's first and last name, and sends it individually. When the process is complete, a success message appears, and the spreadsheet is automatically updated with the sending status and timestamp. That's it. Every recipient has been processed automatically. The spreadsheet confirms which emails were sent and records the exact delivery time. The automation finished successfully in just one run. No manual copying, no sending emails one by one. Your email campaign is now complete. Each contact received a personalized email using the same draft, while the spreadsheet automatically tracked the results. And that's how you can automate personalized emails using Google Sheets and AppScript, saving time while keeping every message customized. If you found this tutorial helpful, consider subscribing for more practical AI and automation tutorials. Also, I'm giving away this complete email automation Google Sheet system to you. Please check the link in subscription. And send me an email when you use this automation Google Sheet. Your personalized email automation is now up and running. From a single Gmail draft to automatic tracking in Google Sheets, all in just a few clicks. We'll upgrade this automation to send different email drafts to different groups using a simple checkbox and category
If you find
column.
this video useful, please like and subscribe. Please drop your questions or comments below. Thank you for watching.